Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an ActiveCampaign webinar automation flow. This is perfect if you're running webinars and want to automatically send reminder emails to your registrants, keeping them engaged and ensuring they show up to your event. First, head over to your browser and type in activecampaign.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your ActiveCampaign dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns and automations. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Automations. This section is where all your automated workflows live, and it's the hub for creating sequences that run on autopilot based on specific triggers you set up. Now, you'll want to create a new automation. Click on the Create an Automation button, usually found at the top right of the page. This will open up a library of pre-built automation recipes that you can customize to fit your needs. In the search field that appears, type webinar. ActiveCampaign offers ready-made templates for common tasks, and this will help you get started quickly. From the results, select Webinar Reminder Series. This template is specifically designed to send timed reminders leading up to your webinar. Once you've selected it, click Continue. You'll be prompted to name your automation. Choose something clear and descriptive like Webinar Reminder Flow or whatever makes sense for your campaign. After naming it, click Save to proceed. Next, the Automation Setup wizard will appear. Click Get Started to begin configuring your automation. This wizard will guide you through the essential steps to make sure your workflow runs smoothly. Now comes an important part, configuring your webinar fields. You'll notice several actions in the automation labeled Jump to or Wait until. For each of these actions, you need to select your webinar date time custom field. If you don't have this field yet, you'll need to create it by going to Contacts, then Fields, and adding a custom date time field. Once it's created, come back to the automation and select it for each Jump to action. Typically, there are about 5 of these, so just repeat the process for each one. This ensures the automation knows when to send each reminder based on your webinar's scheduled time. After setting up your fields, click on the trigger node at the top of the automation. This is what starts the entire flow. Select either subscribes to list or tag is added, depending on how you're tracking registrations. For example, you might use a tag like webinar-registered. Once you've chosen your trigger, click OK. Now you can edit the emails in your sequence. Click on each email action in the flow to customize the subject line, content, and timing. This is where you personalize your messaging to match your brand and webinar topic. You can also adjust the automation flow itself by adding or removing steps depending on how you want to engage your audience. Once you're satisfied with everything, look to the upper right corner and click Active. This turns your automation on and it will start running as soon as contacts meet your trigger conditions. And that's it. You've successfully created a webinar automation flow in ActiveCampaign that will handle reminders and engagement automatically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.